into the night. I feel alive.
Our music is a culmination of our surroundings, the people we meet, and the experiences we share.
We are happiest on the road, traveling, performing, not getting on each other's nerves.
As the world went through the lockdown, the search for inspiration came to a halt.
Guys, this is not working out. When life comes to a standstill, where do you look for inspiration?
Maybe you should just, get out, go for a drive.
Let's go.
We often talk about our childhood in Kerala. Maybe we should go and visit each other's happy place.
So we decided to pack our stuff and get cracking towards converting our travel dream into a lifelong memory.
This is nature's way. Oh, and it's on and on we go now.
There's nothing quite like the freedom of driving out and spending the night sipping chai and singing songs under the stars. Where When Chaimatos began is my happy place, and starting our trip here makes it all the more memorable for me.
Travel is very close to my heart. Going on road trips in Kerala with my family as a child are some of the best memories I have. I miss the freedom that comes with traveling without an agenda. Conquering the open road with friends and taking a break to rejuvenate myself.
Growing up, the laid-back fishing village of Kumblangi was a perfect place for me to get inspired. From scenic backwaters to smiling people, it takes me back to a simpler time. So when we were choosing destinations, I just let my heart guide me.
Hello MG,
Yes,
what do you like about me?
that you got the best car.
Traveling is not about the destination. For me, it's about the open road and where it takes us. Anywhere I can get lost with my boys is my happy place.
I found you passing by in cold December. Lost in view, but still your face and your gaze I remember. Looking at the diamonds in your eyes, shine in the pale moonlight. We've come so far, looking up above into the sky. Everything just seems so fine. This is our time. Into the night, I feel alive. At 59, when we feel young.
Munnar is the perfect getaway for us. For me, travel is about experiences, and few experiences beat a bonfire in Munnar.
You know, as a destination approaches, I can't help but get restless with excitement. You know the feeling you get when something you've always wanted is finally happening. We live for moments like this, when the perfect setting helps you tap into the right emotion. Moments where the music just flows.
1, 2.
Sometimes, to get inspired, all you need is to listen to that little voice inside you.
A great group of friends to go on adventures with.
And a moment to appreciate the beauty the world has to offer.
When dreams come true, they make for amazing memories, and this is a memory I know we'll carry with us for the rest of our lives.